Okay, what the Trump sign means? O ito na po, no? Ano ba yung ibig sabihin nito, no? Bakit ginagawa namin ito, guys? For ano lang, for ano dito, pasikat lang. Walang ganun, guys. Okay, the first one will be the gun shape, no? Gun shape. So ganito siya. Gun shape. So ito gun shape siya, guys. Gun shape ganito. It represents strength and power. 'Di ba? Strength and power. Medyo mahaba pa nga yung kuko ko, guys, pero don't worry. Ano tayo? That represents strength and power. No, yun pala yung representation yun, guys. The courage to face challenges and protect those in need. Ay, grabe. 'Di ba? Akmang-akma po, kuhang-kuha sa ating advocacy. 'Di ba? The gun pala, no, yung baril pala, gun shape, that represents strength and power. The courage to face challenges and protect those in need. 'Di ba? Number 2, the twisted fingers. So ganito, twisted fingers represents will. Yan, will, commitment, and the promise. 'Di ba? Kasi manifestation yan, guys. Manifest natin. So that represents a promise. A reminder that once we commit to helping others, we stay true to our mission. 'Di ba sabi namin, sige, babalikan namin kayo, no? Babalik kami dito para tumulong. That commitment, guys, no? Once we commit, we stay true to our mission. No? Talagang we stick to that, we stick to our promise. Talagang gagawin namin, no, kung ano yung mga pinangako namin sa mga beneficiaries natin. Okay. The last one will be the thumb, no? Ito thumb, guys. This one, like this. Okay, this one. Diba, letter T siya, guys. Letter T, ganun. Ang thumb represents Trom. Trom. T-R-O-M. Ang Trom is Timor Wolof Malalag. Our identity and our unwavering belief in our mission. So, yan yung identity natin. Sa mga Gen Z, bagay mag-selfie dong yung Trump sign. Bakit kayo hindi? Kayang-kaya po yan, guys. No? Kahit ilang taon po kayo. Where help is needed, we go. So, overall meaning niya, guys. No? Overall meaning is the Trump sign symbolizes strength, commitment, and service. Diba? The Trump sign symbolizes strength, commitment, and service. It is a reminder that wherever people need hope, compassion, and assistance, Trump will always be ready to respond. Strength to act, commitment to serve, and promise to never stop helping. I hope nakuha nyo, guys. So, I hope naintindihan nyo po.
Please subscribe. Role of Malalag.
Racial Morales.
Thank you.